morning and we are on our way to Girgaon cause it's Cyclothon day. I know you guys are thinking how am I so cheerful at 4:30 cause I didn't sleep at all. Like no, I've hidden all my dark circles with concealer. So see you guys when there's some bit light and I can vlog properly and Hitesh is not holding a flashlight. See you, bye. Look who's here. Reached our first pit stop and this is where we are. That's Amreen. She's taking all my footage today while I'm riding. So Amreen, how are you feeling? Good. What's the time?
It's 7:30.
7:30 guys. Look at the Sunday morning at Marine Drive at 7:30. Mumbai people are fitness conscious. Mumbai never sleeps.
I'm not tired.
Hi guys, so this is just to give you an update from what happened today whole day. I'm sorry for the mess in my room and sorry for the way I look. I just woke up. So basically I woke up today at 4 and we left for CYCLOTHON'18. I've been promoting on my social media like crazy. This was like an event I was really involved in organizing, from taking participations to promoting it to going on cycling to going on to testing on cycling routes and stuff. And it has been really long time that I have cycled, and I was really happy the last week when I tried it, and I was really looking forward to this event, and I'm really glad that 50 people came for this event and we rode the cycle together, and I'm really thankful to them, and I'm thankful to all the other committee members who helped me to kind of organize it. So I couldn't talk much on the vlog, so I'm just doing this summary kind of a thing of the whole day. I don't think so there's a lot of footage of me because the camera was going around. That's it guys. I really don't have much footage because I lost my head strap and chest strap, so I couldn't vlog during cycling. I really wanted to, I really had a plan, but my brother screwed it up, so it's okay, no issues. We are planning to do more such events, and I'm planning to take this video a bit longer if this video turns out to be short. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.